I'm Eryn from Marquee 360, Microsoft Work Management Partner, and I'm here to talk all about the work management options from Microsoft. Introducing the new Microsoft Planner, your go-to solution for seamless work management, whether you're managing simple tasks or running enterprise projects. With Microsoft Planner, you have two powerful paths. The first, collaborative work management. Easily manage tasks, collaborate in real time, and keep your team moving with light, simple task management features. But what if your organization needs more? Enter Marquee 360's Planner Accelerator PPM 360. PPM 360 takes Microsoft Planner to the next level, transforming it into a full-scale enterprise work management solution. From portfolio management, project governance, and resource allocation to detailed reporting, PPM 360 equips your organization to handle all your PMO needs. Whether you're managing a small team or running a complex portfolio, Microsoft Planner and Marquee 360's PPM 360 empower you to scale with ease. Ready to transform how you manage work? Let us help you modernize your projects with Planner.